What is the main purpose of a job interview? A. To assess the candidate's qualifications and skills. B. To socialize with the hiring manager. C. To negotiate salary. D. To skip the application process. The correct answer is A. The main purpose of a job interview is to assess the candidate's qualifications, skills, and fit for the position. What is a common don't during a job interview? A. Arrive late without notifying the interviewer. B. Speak negatively about your previous employer. C. Maintain good eye contact and posture. D. Avoid smiling or showing enthusiasm. The correct answer is C. Maintaining good eye contact and posture shows confidence and interest during a job interview. Which of the following is a common don't during a job interview? A. Provide concise and relevant answers. B. Ask about salary and benefits in the first interview. C. Research the company beforehand. D. Follow up with a thank you email after the interview. The correct answer is B. Asking about salary and benefits too early in the interview process may give the impression that your main motivation is financial. What is a key component of effective interview preparation? A. Wearing a casual outfit to appear more relaxed. B. Forgetting to research the company and position. C. Reviewing your resume and thinking of examples to demonstrate your skills. D. Avoiding any questions about the job role or company. The correct answer is C. Less than break time equals 1s greater than. Reviewing your resume and preparing examples to demonstrate your skills can help you answer interview questions effectively. During a job interview, it's important to A. Mention irrelevant information to fill in silences. B. Avoid asking questions about the company or position. C. Showcase your relevant skills and experiences. D. Send a generic thank you note to the interviewer. The correct answer is C. Showcasing your relevant skills and experience can help the interviewer see how you are a good fit for the position. Which of the following is a good practice before a job interview? A. Skipping breakfast to avoid feeling bloated. B. Practicing responses to common interview questions. C. Wearing strong perfume or cologne. D. Showing up without a copy of your resume. The correct answer is B. Practicing responses to common interview questions can help you feel more prepared and confident during the interview. What should you do if you don't know the answer to an interview question? A. Make up an answer to sound confident. B. Stay silent and refuse to answer the question. C. Admit that you don't know the answer and offer to follow up with more information later. D. Change the subject to avoid the question. The correct answer is C. Admitting you don't know the answer and offering to follow up with more information later shows honesty and a willingness to learn. Which of the following is a common job interview mistake to avoid? A. Asking about career growth opportunities. B. Talking negatively about previous coworkers. C. Bringing questions to ask the interviewer. D. Showing enthusiasm and interest in the company. The correct answer is B. Talking negatively about your previous coworkers can reflect poorly on your attitude and professionalism during a job interview. What should you do at the end of a job interview? A. Rush out of the room without thanking the interviewer. B. Ask about salary and benefits immediately. C. Follow up with a thank you email expressing appreciation for the opportunity. D. Avoid making eye contact with the interviewer. The correct answer is C. Following up with a thank you email after the interview is a professional way to express gratitude and reiterate your interest in the position. How can you show enthusiasm and interest during a job interview? A. Speak in a monotone voice and avoid making eye contact. B. Ask only yes or no questions during the interview. C. Research the company and ask thoughtful questions about the role. D. Avoid discussing your achievements and experiences. The correct answer is C. Researching the company and asking thoughtful questions about the role demonstrates your interest and enthusiasm for the position. What is a good strategy to demonstrate good communication skills during a job interview? A. Avoid eye contact to appear confident. B. Use technical jargon to impress the interviewer. C. Listen actively and respond thoughtfully. D. Speak quickly to show enthusiasm. The correct answer is C. Active listening and thoughtful responses demonstrate good communication skills during a job interview. Why is it important to research the company before a job interview? A. To show off your knowledge during the interview. B. To understand the company's values and culture. C. To check if the company has good snacks. D. To criticize the company during the interview. The correct answer is B. Researching the company helps you understand its values and culture, allowing you to align your responses accordingly during the interview. Which of the following is a good do when answering behavioral interview questions? A. Provide vague responses to keep the interviewer guessing. B. Avoid using real-life examples. C. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. D. Make up stories to impress the interviewer. The correct answer is C. Using the STAR method, situation, task, action, result, helps structure your responses to behavioral interview questions effectively. In terms of body language, what should you aim for to convey confidence during a job interview? A. Slouching in your chair. B. Avoiding eye contact. C. Fidgeting with a pen or other objects. D. Sitting up straight and maintaining good posture. The correct answer is D. Sitting up straight, maintaining good posture, and making appropriate eye contact can convey confidence during a job interview. Why is it important to follow up with a thank you note after a job interview? A. To complain about the interview process. B. To remind the interviewer about your qualifications. C. To critique the company's office decor. D. To show appreciation and reiterate interest in the position. The correct answer is D. Sending a thank you note shows appreciation. It reiterates your interest in the position and demonstrates professionalism after a job interview. How can you demonstrate your interest in company culture during a job interview? A. Ignore any questions related to company culture. B. Ask about company-sponsored events and team-building activities. C. Express disinterest in the company's values. D. Avoid talking about your own values and beliefs. The correct answer is B. Less than break time equals 500 milliseconds, greater than. Asking about company-sponsored events and team-building activities can show you are interested in the company culture and want to be involved. What is a good way to conclude a job interview on a positive note? A. Rush through the closing remarks. B. Avoid asking questions about the next steps in the hiring process. C. Express gratitude for the opportunity to interview. D. Criticize the interviewer for tough questions. The correct answer is C. Expressing gratitude for the opportunity to interview is a good way to conclude a job interview on a positive note and leave a lasting impression. Why is it important to maintain good eye contact during a job interview? A. To avoid looking nervous. B. To establish rapport and show interest. C. To intimidate the interviewer. D. To check the time on the interviewer's watch. The correct answer is B. Maintaining good eye contact helps establish rapport with the interviewer, shows you're actively listening, and that you are engaged in the conversation. What is a common mistake to avoid when discussing your previous work experience during a job interview? A. Exaggerating your accomplishments. B. Keeping your answers too concise. C. Avoiding eye contact with the interviewer. D. Showing up late for the interview. The correct answer is A. Exaggerating your accomplishments can lead to mistrust and damage your credibility during a job interview. How can you demonstrate your problem-solving skills during a job interview? A. By listing all your weaknesses. B. By asking the interviewer to solve a problem for you. C. By providing examples of how you have solved problems in the past. D. By avoiding questions that require critical thinking. The correct answer is C. Providing examples of how you've successfully solved problems in the past is a great way to demonstrate your problem-solving skills during a job interview. What is a common don't in nonverbal communication during a job interview? A. Smiling genuinely. B. Fidgeting or tapping your foot incessantly. C. Maintaining good posture. D. Nodding to show you understand. The correct answer is B. Fidgeting, or tapping your foot incessantly, can be distracting and convey nervousness or a lack of focus during a job interview. How can you address a difficult, unexpected job interview question? A. Panic and start sweating profusely. B. Ask the interviewer to skip that question. C. Take a moment, compose yourself, and then provide a thoughtful response. D. Say you don't know and end the interview early. The correct answer is C. Taking a moment to compose yourself demonstrates composure and can help you provide a more thoughtful response to a difficult question during a job interview. What is a potential consequence of not sending a thank you note after a job interview? A. Lack of confidence. B. Missed networking opportunity. C. Forgetfulness. D. Improved chances of being hired. The correct answer is B. Sending a thank you note is a common courtesy. It's also a follow-up gesture that can positively influence how the interviewer sees you. And it might even create a networking opportunity. How can you demonstrate good time management during a job interview? A. Arriving late without explanation. B. Asking to reschedule multiple times. C. Being respectful of the interview schedule. D. Not being aware of the interview duration. The correct answer is C. Demonstrating good time management during a job interview includes being punctual, respecting the agreed upon schedule, and being mindful of time constraints set by the interviewer. What is a potential effect of not practicing mock interviews before a real job interview? A. Increased nervousness. B. Enhanced interview performance. C. Better understanding of the company culture. D. Impress the interviewer. The correct answer is A. Practicing mock interviews can help reduce nervousness, increase preparedness, and improve overall confidence for the actual job interview. How can you handle a challenging interviewer question you didn't anticipate? A. Panic and provide an incoherent response. B. Completely ignore the question. C. Take a moment to gather your thoughts and respond thoughtfully. D. Argue with the interviewer. The correct answer is C. When faced with an unexpected, challenging question during a job interview, it's best to remain calm, take a moment to compose your thoughts, and provide a concise and thoughtful response. What should you avoid doing when discussing your hobbies during a job interview? A. Being vague or uninterested. B. Sharing irrelevant or controversial hobbies. C. Omitting your hobbies completely. D. Only talking about work-related activities. The correct answer is B. Less than break time equals 1s greater than. During a job interview, it's important to be mindful of the hobbies you mention. Avoid controversial or irrelevant topics that might not align with the professional image you want to project. Why is it important to maintain a positive attitude during a job interview? A. To impress the interviewer with fake enthusiasm. B. To show resilience and positivity under pressure. C. To downplay your actual feelings about the job. D. To make the interview more interesting. The correct answer is B. Maintaining a positive attitude during a job interview demonstrates your ability to handle pressure, showcase resilience, and present yourself as an enthusiastic and proactive candidate. How can you demonstrate your problem-solving skills during a job interview? A. Avoid discussing any challenges you faced. B. Provide specific examples of challenges and how you overcame them. C. Blame others for any problems that occurred. D. Say you have never faced any challenges. The correct answer is B. Demonstrating problem-solving skills during a job interview involves sharing specific examples of challenges you faced, outlining your approach to solving them, and highlighting the positive outcomes or learnings from those experiences. How can you demonstrate adaptability during a job interview? A. Rejecting any changes suggested by the interviewer. B. Highlighting a time when you refused to adapt to a new situation. C. Sharing examples of how you handled change positively. D. Insisting on maintaining your own routines and preferences. The correct answer is C. Demonstrating adaptability during a job interview involves sharing specific instances where you successfully navigated change, embraced new situations, and showcased your flexibility and willingness to adapt to different circumstances. What is a common mistake to avoid when discussing your career goals during a job interview? A. Being vague or indecisive about your future plans. B. Setting unrealistic or unattainable goals. C. Refusing to discuss your career aspirations. D. Changing your career goals based on the company's needs. The correct answer is A. When discussing your career goals during a job interview, it's crucial to avoid being vague or indecisive. This can convey a lack of direction or commitment to your professional development. What should you do if you're running late for a job interview? A. Call the interviewer to inform them and provide an estimated arrival time. B. Arrive without notifying anyone. C. Send an email after the interview. D. Don't show up at all. The correct answer is A. It is important to notify the interviewer if you are running late. This demonstrates professionalism and respect for their time. What is a key strategy for building rapport with the interviewer during an interview? A. Ask personal questions unrelated to the job. B. Maintain a positive attitude and engage in small talk. C. Keep answers short and to the point. D. Avoid making eye contact. The correct answer is B. Building rapport with the interviewer through small talk can help create a positive connection and demonstrate interpersonal skills. How should you handle a tricky question in a job interview? A. Pause to think. B. Honestly say you don't know, but are eager to learn. C. Don't make up an answer. D. Don't change the subject. The correct answer is B. Honesty is crucial during an interview. Admitting you don't know something, but are eager to learn, can showcase your humility and willingness to grow. What's a good way to show off your skills and experience in a job interview? A. Only talk about your achievements without explaining them. B. Use specific examples to show how your skills relate to the job. C. Give long, detailed explanations. D. Don't mention your past work experience. The correct answer is B. Using specific examples can help illustrate your capabilities and provide tangible evidence of your qualifications for the position. How can you show enthusiasm and interest in a job role during an interview? A. Provide monotonous responses to questions. B. Avoid asking any questions about the job or company. C. Express genuine excitement about the opportunity and ask thoughtful questions. D. Appear disinterested and aloof. The correct answer is C. Expressing genuine enthusiasm and asking relevant questions can demonstrate your interest in the position and company culture.